Hello viewers, welcome to the video lecture series for the job role of hand embroiderer class 10, unit 4, session 2. Our topic for today is placement of design. As you know, design is an idea drawn on the paper using various elements of design, namely lines, shapes, color, textures, etc. A design composition is also known as a motif. A hand embroiderer needs to place the design on the fabric in different arrangement before starting the embroidery work. This positioning or arrangement of design or motif on a surface is called as the placement of design. The principle of designs, that is balance, harmony, rhythm, emphasis and proportion, act as a foundation block while planning the placement of design. There are several possible placement styles or the arrangement of the motif which can be made by arranging the motif widely or closely spaced on the base neatly. Motif can be placed randomly or in any particular manner, which is also known as repeat. Some factors that should be considered while placing the design on the garment or the end product are customer preference, style, size, fabric and base of the color of the garment or the end product, shape, size and purpose of the garment, creating an overall pleasant and satisfactory appearance. Placement of designs can be done in many different ways on garments or any other end products. Let's discuss about the various ways in which a design or motif can be arranged. Number 1 is equidistant or block pattern. It is one of the simplest repeat patterns which is formed by placing the motif in a basic grid repeat. It is considered to be one of the most common and simple form of repeats and is also known as full drop or block surface pattern repeat. Second is half drop pattern repeat. In this repeat pattern, the repeat motif is placed vertically in a column format which is then offset by half in the next row vertical to it. Allow the design to look less formal due to its vertical dropping position in the grid. Third one is brick pattern repeat. This pattern is similar to the vertical half drop pattern, but here the motif is placed in a horizontal column format instead of the vertical column. The repeat unit is offset by half in the next horizontal row, resembling a brick wall. Fourth type is mirror repeat. As the name suggests, in this type of repeat, the motif is arranged in a mirror image form. If done correctly, this repeat gives an interesting look. To create this repeat, the motif is duplicated horizontally and vertically to get an overall mirrored repeat on the surface or design. Fifth one is diamond pattern repeat. The diamond pattern repeat is a repeat of pattern in diamond shapes and is frequently used in embroidery work and textile designs. It is created by repeating diamond shapes in the grid format, resulting in the elements to be arranged in diagonal row format. The sixth type of placement design is ogee pattern repeat. An ogee repeat is much similar to the diamond repeat in shape, but in ogee, the tips are more rounded on two sides, with the other two sides coming to points. The seventh one is tossed or random pattern repeat. A tossed or random pattern surface repeat has scattered elements of design in a repetitive form. The elements of the design are scattered within the repeat unit in irregular manner. It is important to choose a right pattern for repeat in a design, as each pattern has its own grace and charm. So in order to create an aesthetic design, it becomes important to use principles of design while planning repeat pattern. While placing a design on the garment, a hand embroiderer must also consider the areas of the garment where the design is to be placed. For example, the arrangement of motif on borders, necklines, etc. Let us look at this example. Suppose we have to place this peacock motif on different garment areas. A suggestive possible placement of the motif at different areas can be shown in these figures. It can be seen in these figures that the motif is placed in different ways on necklines, borders, yokes and sleeves by using it as diamond mirror repeat or block repeat or any arrangement as per requirement. Thus, from this example we can clearly understand that how the design should be placed on the garment and develop our own ways of design placement on various design areas. Other than these ways, we can also place the design in unique arrangement as per the customer requirement or designer's creativity. I hope this video was helpful and interesting for all of you. That's all for now. Keep watching, keep learning and keep practicing. Thank you.